What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Silicon Tech. And as you can see from the title, the surprise is up. The business is out there. I now have a MacBook Pro, my first Mac of any kind. So I have a MacBook Pro, the 14-inch with the 10-core CPU, 16-core GPU, 16 gigs of RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage. Now, I think this is the sweet spot for me and my workflow. Definitely plan to do a lot of video editing with Final Cut Pro this time. Many of you may know that I edit videos currently for the channel on my iPad, and I use LumaFusion with that, which is a good program. But of course, Final Cut Pro isn't on the iPad, so definitely interested in getting to that. But with all of that being said, no further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so here we go. Out of the bag, as you can see, the MacBook Pro 14-inch, 16 gigabytes, unified memory, 1 terabyte SSD storage, 10-core CPU, 16-core GPU, as advertised. And now the first thing, also have some scissors prepared just in case I need them. And we're off. Wasn't as smooth as I wanted it to go, but well. There's some more plastic. Okay. Materials here. Some more stuff. Black stickers. That's all in here. Then we got the charging wire. So this is the 96 or 97, one of those charging watts or charging adapter. You know, it's pretty big, pretty hefty, heavy. Then we got the MagSafe cable. It's braided pretty well. So this is the primary charging option for the MacBook. And that's it. Pretty basic when it comes to the packaging. Not much there. And now get the actual MacBook out of the wrapper. Go. The MacBook. And first open. there you go. So I'll let that boot up. As I mentioned, definitely got a lot to talk about with this new computer, first Mac. And that's right. Hello, everybody. See you on the next one. Be easy and peace.